In the name of God, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello everyone, I'm Masoud Bakhtiari, a structural engineer. Hand, ETABS and Revit is newer course of concrete element structural design. We started the training of Hand, ETABS and Revit. Chapter 1, Loading, Analysis and Design of Concrete Elements, such as beam, columns, walls, and slabs in different conditions. In this section, for a start, the example for learning analysis and design of beam concrete, we chose simple beam. For loading analysis, design of structures. Simple beam consists of two support, hinged support and roller support. As you see, I draw simple beam and I draw support, and now we start loading on the beam. We apply Q load to the beam and obtain the factored load with the sugar-set load combinations that ACI 318 sugar-set. Q load consists of dead load such as super dead and self weight of elements, and live load. In this example, we assume dead load equal by 1 cubes per foot and live load equal by 2 cubes per foot. Now we obtain factored load by ACI sugar-set equations, and the equation is equal by dead load multiplied by 1.2 plus live load multiplied by 1.6. Now we calculate factored load. To calculate factored load, and the factored load is 4.4 cubes per foot. In this example, all of the units is UK units. Now we draw the free diagram of the beam to analyze the structure and to analyze the beam and obtain the maximum shear and maximum moment bending. In this point, loading of structure ended and start analysis of structures. Notice that structural analysis of structure started now. As you know, maximum shear or Vmax is equal by Q multiplied by length, value of length, divided on 2, and the maximum bending moment equal by Q for, multiplied by SQ value of length divided on 8, and as you see, we calculate maximum shear equal by 22 kips, and the maximum bending equal by 55 kips point foot. At this point, the analysis of the structure ended, and the design of the structure began. As you can see, the maximum shear force is created in the supports, and the maximum bending moment occurs in the middle of the beam span. Now we obtain the maximum shear and moment bending values with the static relation and equation. Thanks for watching, and follow me for start design of the structure.